Good morning friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel Chemistry King, and Dr. S.K. Sinha is here to discuss von Richter rearrangement. In this rearrangement, when aromatic nitro compound is heated with cyanide ion in aqueous ethanol, carboxyl group comes here with the elimination of nitro group. Again I am stating it. When aromatic nitro compound is heated with cyanide ion in aqueous ethanol, nitro group is removed and carboxyl group enters. And mainly carboxyl group enters at ortho to the nitro group, means sign substitution takes place. What does sign substitution means? Sign means adjacent. Sign means adjacent. Sign means adjacent. Okay. Nitro group is removed from here and carboxyl group enters at this position. Okay. Now, here question arises. We all people think at a glance that cyanide ion will come here. Okay. Nitro group is eliminated anyhow. Cyanide group attacks here. Cyanide group comes here. And it is then hydrolyzed into carboxyl group. First of all, at a glance we think like so. As we know, any cyanide is hydrolyzed into carboxyl group with elimination of nitro group. But when we see its mechanism, a taking of cyanide ion and converting it into carboxyl group and elimination of nitro group, all things will be clear in the mechanism, and also we will see there that cyanide ion is not hydrolyzed into carboxyl group. If it would be so, then ammonia must be out here. Ammonia must be released. Ammonia must be evolved here. Okay, because we know that when cyanide is hydrolyzed into carboxyl, ammonia gas is also evolved in this case. But it is not so. It is fact experimentally, and accordingly mechanism is given here. Okay. And another thing is also here that this Z is electron withdrawing group. If electron withdrawing group is there, if electron withdrawing group is present here we have written the reaction gives best results when electron withdrawing groups are in ortho or para positions, but yields are low. Reaction is better when you put electron withdrawing group at ortho or para position. Why? First of all, we should know that why this group, electron withdrawing group, is necessary to be present in the benzene ring. It will attract the electrons from the benzene ring, and when benzene ring becomes electron deficient, if benzene ring becomes more and more electron deficient, nucleophile will attack more and more readily. So, electron withdrawing group should present there. Electron withdrawing group should present in the benzene ring. Then rate of reaction. We have stated that the reaction gives best results when electron withdrawing groups are in ortho and para position. Best result means rate of reaction is better, but yield is low. But yield is low. Okay friends, this reaction is very much clear. Now we turn to the mechanism. This is nitro compound substrate and this is reagent. Cyanide ion attacks at ortho position and simultaneously this pi bond will break in this fashion, and so this pi bond will break in this fashion, leading to this structure. Okay. Now this hydrogen is eliminated as H plus and this sigma bond comes here for aromatization, and so this pi bond will break in this fashion, leading to this structure. Okay. Now here we see that this oxygen, this is nucleophilic center and this carbon is electrophilic center. Why this carbon is electrophilic center? This is triple bond and this is nitrogen. Nitrogen is more electronegative than carbon, so this pi bond will break easily in this fashion, leading to positive charge here, and that's why I have said that this carbon is electrophilic center. This nucleophile will attack here, leading to this structure. Again, in presence of acid, see here, this negative charge or this electron shifts in this fashion, and so this bond will shift in this fashion, and so this pi bond will shift in this fashion, leading to two negative charge here, and so these two H plus will get attached here, leading to amino group. Okay. Now in this structure we see that there are two hydrogen and this oxygen. These one oxygen and two hydrogen will combine together with the elimination of water. This structure is produced. Again, this hydroxide ion, from where it comes? It comes from water. This water molecule or this hydroxide ion will attack at this carbon. You know that this is carbonyl carbon, okay, and it is very easy to attack any nucleophile at this carbon because it contains delta, it contains positive charge. Okay, therefore this nucleophile will attack at this carbon and this pi bond will break in this fashion, leading to this structure. Again, this negative charge or this electron shift in this fashion, and so this bond break in this fashion, shifts in this fashion, and so this bond breaks in this fashion, leading to this structure with the elimination of nitrogen gas. And now this H plus coming from water, H plus gets attached here, leading to this, it is carboxylic acid, and moreover you can say it is benzoic acid. This is all about the mechanism how cyanide ion enters as carboxyl group at ortho position to the nitro group. And here we saw nowhere ammonia is released, and hence we have said earlier that cyanide group enters at ortho position of nitro group. It is very much clear, but this cyanide ion is not normally hydrolyzed into carboxyl group, and by other means it is converted into carboxyl group. It is clear from the mechanism. Okay. Now we see application. It is the backbone of application. A group at para position is here. Moreover, the group will be electron withdrawing group. Then the rate of reaction will be facilitated. Okay. When potassium cyanide aqueous ethanol attacks here, it is carboxyl group and nitro group is eliminated. It is the main part of application. Now here we have given two questions. Complete the following two questions. It is the substrate and potassium cyanide in aqueous ethanol ataxia. It is the reagent. Then carboxyl group will enter. According to von Richter rearrangement, carboxyl group enters either here or here. Both ortho positions of nitro group are equivalent because this bromine is at para position, and with respect to nitro group, these two are ortho positions and both ortho positions are equivalent. Therefore, at any ortho position, carboxyl group will enter. What about in the substrate? It is nitro group and this is ortho position, this is ortho position. And one ortho position is occupied, therefore this one ortho position is vacant, therefore carboxyl group enters at this position. Thank you. See you again.